Specs comparison video Infinix 030 versus Samsung S10 Plus. Dimensions. Both phones' dimensions are almost similar. Weight. Infinix 030 4G 182 gram weight is better than Samsung S10 Plus 198 gram weight. Build quality. Samsung S10 Plus front glass aluminum frame and glass back is better than Infinix 030 4G. Network. Both phones have 4G network support. OS. Infinix 030 4G have latest operating system. Therefore, Infinix 030 4G is better than Samsung S10 Plus. Processor. Samsung S10 Plus Exynos 9820 processor is better than Infinix 030 MediaTek Helio G99 processor. Display type and size. Samsung S10 Plus Dynamic AMOLED 6.4 inches display is better than Infinix 030 AMOLED 6.78 inches display. Display resolution and PPI. Samsung S10 Plus 1440 x 3040 pixels and 522 ppi density display is better than Infinix 030 4G. Display refresh rate. Infinix 030 has 120Hz refresh rate, better than Samsung S10 Plus 60Hz refresh rate. Display brightness. Infinix 030 4G 9050 nits peak brightness is better than Samsung S10 Plus. Display protection. Samsung S10 Plus Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection is better than Infinix 030 Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Fingerprint and Face ID. Both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor and Face ID support. Internal. Both phones have different RAM and storage variants. It's your choice which one variant is better for you. Card slot. Samsung S10 Plus has micro SD card slot, better than Infinix 030 4G. Rear camera. Infinix 030 4G has triple camera setup, 108 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel lenses. Samsung S10 Plus has triple camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel telephoto 2x optical zoom lens and 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. Rear camera video recording. Samsung S10 Plus 4K 60fps video recording is better than Infinix 030 4G 1440p 30fps video recording. Front camera. Infinix 030 4G 50 megapixel front selfie camera is better than Samsung S10 Plus 10 megapixel selfie camera. Front camera video recording. Samsung S10 Plus 4K 60fps front camera video recording is better than Infinix 030 4G 1440p 30fps video recording. 3.5mm jack. Samsung S10 Plus has audio jack option, better than Infinix 030 4G. Stereo speakers. Infinix 030 4G has dual speaker support. Samsung S10 Plus has stereo speaker support. Therefore, Samsung S10 Plus is better than Infinix 030 4G. NFC. Both phones have NFC support. USB type. Samsung S10 Plus Type-C 3.1 charging port is better than Infinix 030 4G Type-C 2.0. Wired charging. Infinix 030 4G 45W fast charging is better than Samsung S10 Plus 15W fast charging. Wireless charging. Infinix 030 4G has no wireless charging option. Samsung S10 Plus has 15W wireless charging. Samsung S10 Plus is better than Infinix 030 4G. Battery capacity. Infinix 030 4G has 5000 mAh battery, better than Samsung S10 Plus battery. The specs comparison winner is Samsung S10 Plus.